Congratulations on the purchase of your new RVE Shutterlid. With each lid, you will find a free package that includes a tube of silicone spray, a microfiber cloth, a manual override key, 2 remotes and 2 lock keys. Basic maintenance steps. Your lid will provide years of function. Most important is to keep the gutters clean of any debris. That can be cleared up by using a microfiber cloth, wiping the gutter clean, and then applying some silicone lubricant. The Shutterlid cartridge has got 2 drain holes, one on each side. They can be cleared of leaves and other dust particles by simply twisting it off and removing it from the front firewall. Any debris in the tubes should be cleared and then just returned. Should you have an electric Shutterlid and you run into electrical problems, you can manually override the lid by using the remote override key, which turns into your electric lid does not operate when using the remote. First point to check would be for a blown fuse. Fuse is located in the engine compartment by the battery. You can simply open the fuse holder, remove the fuse if it's blown, and replace with a 20 amp fuse. And then just cover it and tuck it away. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any information, please visit our website at www.rve.co.nz.